What's up, guys? Today we are gonna be taste testing Italian pepper. Close. Oh, let's just upside down. So yeah, we're tasting pepper. I'm generally like, I don't really know about this. Here it is.
Tastes like a regular bell pepper. If you don't like bell pepper, you're not gonna like it. Yeah.
Can you hold it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, you just need to get a cup of water. So you're not hurting your belly, reaching in like that.
What?
Oh yeah. This is what makes the video seem long. Okay, ready?
I just got my thing.
Okay.
All right. Next, we are gonna be tasting the Comice pear. Is it like an apple?
Yeah. Easy. Pears are good.
Yeah, it's like an apple. I'm not gonna like. I had a little bite. Like, this is what it looks like. I had a little bite. I'm not gonna do more because apples, like, they kind of just like irritate my teeth. So.
Well, that's a pear, not an apple.
I know, but like apples are like pears.
Oh, okay. All right. Here we go.
All right. Make sure to go like and subscribe.
Are you gonna rate them?
Freak. Wait, let me rate them. All right, for the Italian pepper, we are gonna give that. What do you give it?
I like peppers, so I would give it a 10.
Oh, what? 10. All right.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it like -10. Sorry guys, my iPad just turned off. So I'm gonna rate that a -10 out of 10.
Okay. What about the pear?
The Comice pear. I mean, if I liked apples, it's gonna.
It's a pear.
I know, but it tastes like an apple.
It doesn't.
It does. I'm probably just gonna give it like a 7. Anyways,
I like it. It's a 9.
For a teaser for our next week, we got that. We're gonna need a sledgehammer. Anyways, I'm gonna edit this one. Make sure to go like and subscribe to help us get to 200 subscribers. Anyway, good. What's up, guys? Today we are gonna be taste testing a coconut. So you just like rotate it. Don't drain all the coconut milk.
What am I supposed to do with it? It says to drain it.
Aw, I want to taste the coconut milk.
Oh,
Ooh.
we did it. I didn't think it was gonna be that easy.
Wait, can I have a straw?
Straw. There's nothing really to. No, I'm gonna like a cup.
Oh.
No,
Wait.
I don't want it to drip. I don't know if there's anything in it. Do you get any?
I don't want the milk.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's actually get to taste.
No, I'm really not sure.
The drinking part,
Not so much.
2 out of 10 for the drinking part. Let's actually get to the tasting part of it.
Never done this before, so
fancy about this. So, here's the coconut.
Tastes like coconut. You just put things in your mouth and then spit them out. You don't even chew it and swallow it. Give it a chance. Do you like coconut flavored anything? I don't know why you thought you like coconut. I don't like coconut flavor. I'm still eating it though. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. So that's a 3 fails for you. Okay. Say bye. Rate it and say bye, so we're not holding this for nothing.
No, most 3 is really. I mean, I like the pear kind. So I'm gonna rate that a 2 out of 10 for both the drinking part and the eating part. So
What's your teaser for the next one?
Oh, we've got something a little different coming up. It's not a fruit, but a thing we have to cook. So see ya there.